All right, everybody. Let's see. Hoping everyone can see me here. All right. Oh my God. All right. I don't remember what I was doing here. I think I was planning to display past subscriptions. I think. I think so, yes. There's hella changes here, so let's get started, right? Non-type object has no attribute created at. That's kind of fucked up. It's got to be in the fucking. What the hell? Hold on, I'm getting emails. Like right when I start streaming, I get emails. Like I don't understand what the fuck is going on. Can I just like chill out? No? What is going on here? I'm on the web server. Motherfucker. Bro, AWS is charging me money. Okay. Where's my fucking serializer? And then error is coming from here. Daytime, motherfucker. Let's go. This Turkish song is stuck in my head. Oh, what the fuck? I forgot I was on the motherfucking. Oh shit, I reloaded the wrong motherfucker. 5 errors. I made it even worse. What the fuck? Looks like a JavaScript. Okay. Brah. All right, that's a different error. So that's not a backend error, that's a front end error, which we can, take care of. Can't fucking locate lost payment. Yeah, this should be all right. This should work. What is the fucking error here? That is import and that's a console. Okay, so that should be good. Let's go. Come on. Yeah, we're talking about last payment. That entirety of this fucker should not be in. Yeah, this should be all like completely out. There we go. Cool. I like it. Man, this guy fucking depresses the fuck out of me. Sam Smith. Well, maybe not right now, big boy. Hold on. Where's my uppity songs? Why don't you stay with me? Bro, this guy sings way too fucking good. But I'm not in the mood to fucking, throwing a toaster in the shower and I'm in it. There we go. All right, so this is good. This is also good. Okay. Cool. Let's do a bit of a cleanup here, and then we do a console log, and then we start switching the stuff. Profit, motherfucker. I love you. Okay, I don't really know where my fucking ESLint file is exactly. Right here, rows. Fuck. My errors are amazing. How did I even type this shit, bro? Okay, now this kicked in. So, it, did it wrong in so many places. Hold on, what the fuck did I just see? Oh, resume browsing. What the fuck am I looking? I'm typing it. I'm typing it wronger. This can't be all the fucking. Yeah, so it doesn't look like that's a thing that Prettier does. Hmm. Prettier doesn't support it, apparently, hence. Okay. So this should go away in just a bit. I think it's like reanalyzing or something. Yeah, it's gone. No errors. All right. So I'm gonna do here npm run docker. Let's do a linter here. I don't know if I broke anything, but let's check it out. Shouldn't have too many even though. Subscription manager, unexpected console statement. Okay. Actions.ts, billing components, actions.ts. Cool. Still raining like a motherfucker. Okay. Now it all should be gone. Get session token is defined but never used. Good call. Makes sense. It's in the actions. Coolios. Also, I should just do fucking return. We don't need that, right? Right. Cool. So let's go take care of that motherfucking serializer. And then says too many blank lines and the line 67. 67. Is it this here? Right. And Stripe Manager is ah. Okay. Mm, Where the fuck is this coming from? Ah, staring me in the face right there. All right, list review, subscription admin. Yeah, put the year, put the cancel, suspend, right? All right, 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 right. All right, the endpoint. All right, all right. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. 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 Okey dokey. Yeah, this is not bad, you know what I'm saying? All right. Formatting right there. Okay. Kind of conditional. Okay. 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 All right. Making my ear itch. So now I can kind of start doing a bit more further configuration here. Hmm. Now it's time we configure this, because if I'm here and I'm looking at the subscriptions, subscription get, this is giving me one. Mm-hmm. All right, I'm gonna kind of take this. Ah! Mm. Yeah, this should be the same pattern. So like it's kind of in unison with what I'm doing, right? Right. I fucking hate that this is the name it has to be. That's why I really don't like doing it. I'm gonna get some more tea, and then we're gonna continue with that, with the further configuration there. So give me a sec. Oh, look at these boys sleeping. Static. All right. Okay, URLs. This fucking has to change. I zoned out there for a second. What the hell? Mm. This is gonna be include. Okay, I'm just gonna do this one, for example, and then fuck it. I'm just gonna say subscription we've set. Eh, just for the sake of testing here. Billing one. No. See, that's the fucking problem. Billing yellow one. Motherfucker. Maybe. Pattern list app namespace. Namespace. Billing YOLO 1. Okay, now it fucking works, motherfucker. Okay, that should... Motherfucker. Are we? Okay, what's going on here? 1 second. Some odd behavior is happening. We'll reload this. Okay. Fuck. Okay. My eyes are feeling dry. I'm feeling tired. Like, what the fuck? I feel like an old man. Okay. I'm gonna put some eye drop in my eye, pee, and be back. Okay, we're back. Let me see if I can use this. And if this would help. Glasses. Okay. So this is fine. And then we're just gonna go with this here. List is empty, it's just list. What? Hmm. Subscription view set. Subscription view set that as view. And this is gonna be get. We are just gonna say list. Mm-hmm. And then we're gonna say here name. Constantine, bro. Hey, how you been, my dude? Long time no here. I know. How's it going, my man? Just regular practicing lead code, but still get stuck at mediums quite often, considering just giving up. What language are you doing that on? I hate lead code. I got better comparing how I was before, but still. I understand DS really, but DS, you mean data structure, right? In what language that you are putting your effort in? Data structures like theory behind it, from trees to graphs, hash tables, whatever. Okay. It's just lead code is frustrating as hell. Okay, but what language are you putting your effort in? Is it JavaScript? Is it one of those like the type, Python? What is it? JavaScript. I mean, if you are dealing with JavaScript and you are not getting frustrated, you are doing something wrong. JavaScript is supposed to fucking frustrate you. It's not the most consistent language out there. So I wouldn't beat my head around it because JavaScript there is too much clutter in it. And there is definitely inconsistencies in it. And it's not very opinionated either. So I wouldn't really compare your ability to grasp a language just by JS. Like I just want to say that straight up. Also, like doing coding on lead code only, I wouldn't consider that as like a good measure of your skills either, because kind of just thinking like once I want to go on the market, I want to be confident I can knock down mediums without much of hassle. I'm not that far away, but sometimes I take random questions and I'm like not finding an answer after 40 minutes. I feel nah, it's okay. I think I want to say it like this. When you are dealing with JavaScript, expect to be frustrated because JavaScript itself is fucking frustrating, right? It a lot of the times like you're gonna come across things that logically doesn't make sense, or like syntax doesn't make sense, or there should not be like your core spot for comparison. Um, and on top of that, like it should not lead code should not be your only source of like exercise. Are you creating any like little projects and things like this? Right, like maybe create like a single page application or try to like modify a DOM and things like that, because when you say JavaScript, it pretty much goes hand in hand with like web dev and things happening on browser like DOM manipulation and things like that. And another thing is like when you're coding, a big chunk of your time is like figuring things out in the way of like googling things properly. Like you are not gonna know everything by heart. You are not a fucking doctor. You are not expected to remember every single prescription that you are licensed to prescribe. It doesn't work like that. You don't have to learn them by heart. It's just like you need to understand the language enough to identify what goes where. So honestly, like if I were you, I would definitely create some projects. Like you gotta create some projects because the lead code is precise on certain points, right? Like it is focused on a thing, on a specific thing. It doesn't represent the entirety of the software development lifecycle. But when you're creating a project, right, that means you are dealing not just a single precise thing, you are dealing with a collection of precise things, creating a product or a service or something else, right? Like there's an outcome that's desired, that's a collection of certain utilities coming together. But lead code is like each utility at a time. Yeah, honestly, it's like lead code, HackerRank on all those platforms. Like they frustrate me. I hate interviewing on those, but I'm able to pull those off because like I acquired my skills in different ways, and I'm able to like translate it over there and utilize the knowledge that I have over there, pretty consistently so far. So like no worries there. But like you said, I agree with the sentiment that it's not day-to-day coding. It doesn't work like that. Like nobody's gonna give you a task on Jira and say, "Oh, Konstantin, fix this particular problem." But imagine like you're in lead code. Don't fucking use Google. Nobody will be able to fucking progress, bro. So, yeah. And then another thing is, like you might be able to like handle understand data structures and understand graphs and things like this like to an extreme detail, but if you do not know how to use them in actual projects, right, like what good does it do? So again, I would say get your hands dirty with a project. Nick, how you doing, my dude? Hello, hello. How are you, my dude? Watching from public Wi-Fi. Oh, am I all pixelated? How many pixels do I have? I might just kind of stop with it because I haven't been working on my side projects for a while for sake of getting better. I can tell you that working on your projects are actually going to make you better. People don't usually mention this because what happens is like when you're working on an actual project, it teaches you how to debug, identify problems, and apply solutions to those problems, which is a must-have skill in programming, like must-have skill. Sitting in a Max eating burger? What the fuck is a Max? 1080p, we are not poor like you. We can't afford this in public Wi-Fi. Okay. Well, enjoy your burger. What is Max? Like, how am I supposed to Google Max? All right, let's say Max in Sweden. Is it like a mall? What is it? Max Burgers? Is that it? Max Burgers? When you tell me the word Max, I immediately think Max. Like Max as in, this is what I'm thinking, Max. Where else would I eat burgers? The not Burger Max? Nah. So I think like apparently McDonald's is called like Macca's in Australia or something like that, right? So I thought it was like something like that, which I wouldn't know, right? It should be Dunkin'. Let's see if this is going to fix that problem. And if I do just an empty path, I wonder if it is going to work just fine. So I'm gonna duplicate this. How is your project going? Did you launch it? The project is up right now, like in a beta version. I'm trying to launch it by April with the payments enabled. And yes, make these is called that. Don't ask too many questions. I'll ask all the questions and then I'm just going to end up in a ditch. So this is, you can check out the website right now. The beta version of the website is up. We all know Justin would never be able to finish a project. God damn it, man. Don't put my secrets out there. When the interviewers ask me like, "What's your biggest secret?" I'm gonna say, "I can." According to Nick, I can never finish my projects. Straight out the door, bro. Where else would he get his fat Twitch dollars from? Bro, I got like $25 from Twitch. Like that's nothing. Like I'm not making any money. I'm broke, motherfucker. Have you tried using Prisma? Prisma for Node DB connection? I did use it for an interview, if that's what you're asking. Yeah, I used it. I used it. It's pretty neat. I wasn't so efficient on it, but I used it. They were impressed. They head home. All right, dude. Be safe. Don't get popped. Okay, dude. All right, let's see what the error here is. Oh yeah, we did not configure it in a way that it makes sense. Are you fucking kidding me? What? Hold on, I am hearing some weird noises. I'm gonna sync to my last project. It's because I actually use it. It's finance tracking thing, tracking my fed ass bank account. Damn, look at the fed ass bank account. Give me 1 second. Go, my boy. Yeah, it's just my neighbors apparently. Fucking static. It made the screen go black for a second. Keeps shocking this shit. Okay. So now it's gonna also it's gonna do Siri on. Oh no, what am I doing here? Serializer class, subscription serializer. This should be like pretty straightforward now. Let's try this again. Oh, it worked, motherfucker. I would say, where are you hosting next apps? Vercel? No. I'm using Kubernetes, and inside Kubernetes, I have created containers that get automatically generated with every new release. So let me just kind of like show you what the setup is. Uh, yeah, you see that? Like I create packages in GitHub Container Registry, and then Django is the API, the backend, and then Next.js is the client side. Yeah, I was doing DigitalOcean. I moved to Vulture because I'm using Kubernetes, and I wasn't happy with the way that DigitalOcean was charging me. No trouble with server actions and stuff. I mean, it's Dockerized. Everything is running inside a Docker container, and like I'm able to like spin up new instances, like the replication within the Kubernetes. So I'm pretty good. I haven't had a problem so far, but you know, like I had my design initially developed with like scalability in mind specifically, hence the containers and Kubernetes. 104K bill from Netlify for static. Static? What the fuck? How much traffic was the dude getting that got 104K? Is like for a month? That's crazy, bro. DDoS? Oh, I see. I received an email from Netlify last weekend saying that I have 104K bill overdue. At first, I thought this is a joke or some scam email, but after checking my data, it seems like I'm truly owing them 104K dollars. What the fuck, bro? $200 daily visitor. They ruled it out, but I'd be dead before I could even reach support due to stress. Cool! No! Bro, this is nuts. No, this is the first time I'm seeing this. I would remember if I saw this before. This is the first time I'm seeing this. It's a very interesting story though. Like I appreciate you sharing. They require devs to create private AWS and host it there. Oh no. Never do that. AWS, bro, it's fucking expensive when it comes to like cloud computing and shit. And like, why would you put yourself on it? That's a good call. You didn't go with it, bro. Hell yeah, man. Fuck them. That's just really stupid. They want you to host on your own private. What the fuck? That's messed up. No, bro. I would not be comfortable doing that at all. It's like it's super shady. What if you get attacked with a DDoS, right? Like all of a sudden, and then you are fucked with all the bills. Yeah, I think if I remember correctly, AWS has like spending limits that you can set, but still, man, I just don't. I wouldn't be comfortable at all. I can imagine myself getting an email alarm and I have to run to my laptop to shut down the service. I'm not doing that. It's very strange. Thank you for reaching out. So that we can message. I'm looking at this that you have it. You have a hit song on your site. Or I wasn't aware of her, but she seems to be on time when it's seen. So I'm doing your bandwidth usage over the past 30 days, using about 30 days. This way it seems a lot of the bandwidth usage came from some user agents that are quite ancient using Google Cloud addresses. This would include Indude. Indude? What the fuck does that mean? I'm not Googling Indude and I Google. What the fuck? Hold on. Is it a typo? What the fuck? Is that a word? What the fuck is that? Am I tripping now? Must be a fucking typo. This would include devices such as Circa 210, iPads, Windows 6 computers. So either you have a fan base with a passion for all the technology, or this was likely to be attacked. To me, this seems to be the latter. There are many horror stories on Reddit. That's just the most recent one. Going for hyper recommend hosting music on third-party music platforms is YouTube. Is your bandwidth usage, no matter how popular your site, because most of this has a live team, but we just play music into your website should keep your bandwidth from exceeding your plan limits. Please do not post linking the product the asset without permission on Netlify, as this can result in your site. Then I know this kind of other stuff. No, this is still a lot of money for your currency. If you like, I can raise this internet to COS. Because I'm getting a phone call. Give me a second. What's happening here? Hold on. I gotta take a call. There is. All right. I'm back. Had to take care of it. Ah! Okay. Uh, yeah. Sorry, I was on the phone. I said I was going to be on the phone, and I was going to mute myself. So that's what I did. But I'm back right now. So what do you use for authentication? Authenticating what? I am using uh, cookies for client authentication, but for API authentication, I'm using JSON Web Tokens and Access tokens that comes with the headers. Mm-hmm. No third party or your own. Third, for authenticating, I'm just using Google. Sorry, OAuth too. So like a demonstration would be, let's say like I want to go to dashboard and open link in incognito window, right? So it's gonna like it's a protected endpoint, so it's gonna do a redirect. See, you can do like sign in with GitHub, sign in with Google. This is for like creating an account and then signing into existing account. And then if you do this, like you have to log in to your GitHub and then go from there. So basically that's it. And then same thing with the sign up. The only thing that changes, like instead of saying sign in, it says sign up. That's all out too, yeah. Oh no, this is I'm using out.js. This is the one. And I'm not using out0, I'm directly using their own providers. Okay. Providers, there you go. So from here, I have my own. Those providers are expensive as hell. I find Firebase the best for it, 50K free. I'm not paying anything. Like I don't pay any money for it. It's entirely free already. I don't think GitHub or Google charges you money for authentication. I didn't think that they were doing that. Because I'm not using Firebase or All Out. I'm using directly Google itself and GitHub itself. Like for this one, this is what you're talking about, like like All Out0. This is a service that you would be using. And for the Firebase, I'm guessing that they have their own here. Firebase, I don't see it, but I'm using this directly. So I created my own application on Google. I exported my credentials, and I'm using that. Same thing with GitHub. I did my own configuration using these. That's basically it. And then the code itself is pretty straightforward. So honestly, like I don't feel that it's like too crazy. So there you go. Yeah. You see that? It's just like my Google provider and GitHub provider following the documentation. And my client ID and secret is passed as a thing, environment variable. That's it. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is like pretty straightforward, and this has been working really well. In the very beginning, what I did was actually I did initial onboarding using like email and password, and then I got rid of it. I don't have username and password, email and password. I just don't deal with passwords. the only way to log in or sign up to my platform is through external providers, because I don't have to worry about emails, verifications, this and that. So, what I gotta do here is just making sure that my integrations here work. No email verification, no password verification, and shit like this. I mean, I'm still doing email verification when I have to, but I'm not dealing with passwords. I trust Google enough to deal with those, filtering out fake accounts and things like this. Because if you're dealing with email and password, there's a lot of disposable emails out there that people can abuse. With these platforms, you are pretty much in the clear, I would say. So yeah. Okay, update. I saw the CEO's reply on Hacker News, and their supporters have reached out to me to waive the bill. I'm still curious who orchestrated the attack, and they said they're still researching the incident. Their support haven't come back to me with an IP information I asked yet, so I posted on Twitter to ask the CEO. This is fucking crazy, bro. So fucking bright. Bro. The only way you can get fucking justice is presented to the millions. Oh, this is from 4 days ago. This is really new. No, I'm trying to. Yeah, would Netlify forgive this bill if it didn't go viral? I absolutely not, bro. No. Hmm. I saw one good post on LinkedIn that was analyzing the situation. Title of it was "From Servers to Homeless." Holy shit, that's so fucking nice, bro. Fucking love it, bro. Serverless the homeless. Love it, bro. Ah. Holy shit, dude. All right. So, what the fuck I was doing here? All right. So we're gonna do this thing, and then I was testing the list, and then how many is this giving me here? So this is 1, and this is 2. Cool. Perfect. Yay! Yay! All right. So what I'm gonna do here is, you know what I'm saying? Ah! Hmm. Okay, I'm gonna have to Google this because I don't fucking remember. Django order by value first. So the thing is, like, the status that I have here is already subscription status is status active. This is already like integer, right? So I need it just like ascending, and that should be like perfectly fine. So the first one here is status is 1. So this comes first. And then this one is 3. So this is coming first. And then the smoke one. All right, dude. And if I make this like negative, right? And if I run this again, then this time, this is here first. Okay, not bad. So this is ascending and ordered by field names. Pa, 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 pa. Motherfucker, I'm trying to close this. Okay. So this is good. Now, this is probably going to break now, but I'm going to duplicate this. Hoppata. All right. So we're going to do this now. Let's go, back boy. Tomorrow I'm starting my motorcycle riding classes. All right, dude. I've taken motorcycle riding classes. It was pretty dope. My mother wouldn't let me get it, but still, you know, billing subscription list. Okay. I hope I won't regret buying one. Midlife crisis at its finest. What did you get? I didn't buy it still. Once I finish with the license for it, I'll see. Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. I was like, I actually passed my, like, I finished the course, and I was given the initial one. You know, like they give you a document after you complete it. It tells you like, okay, this guy is good to go. And I was supposed to take the written exam only. Before I could take it, oh my god, my mother went crazy. My mother just went nuts. She wouldn't let me get it. Looking into some smaller bike, probably 400, 500 cc max. Gotcha, gotcha. Getting a lot of it from my parents. Yeah, honestly, it makes sense. To be honest, like I am scared of it myself, especially like I made the decision to get it specifically like a year or so after I saw a guy waiting at the left turn only lane, waiting at the red light. A car fucking drove up to him and hit him in the back, and he flew, bro. He literally flew like a good 30, 40 feet in the air. And he was like in, like still, he was just like in a stopped position, waiting on his bike for the light to turn green. And the guy just rammed him from behind with a taxi, a sedan. He was drunk, I guess. And then I was in the Uber, like on the right lane. That motherfucker just fucking pounced on him. And then he just literally flew. And then my Uber driver was like following the guy. I was calling the car, the 911. I'm like, this guy just hit this guy on this intersection, and then he's running, and then he couldn't even run. He ended up, there's a store called Ace Hardware in Long Beach. He ended up hitting the wall, breaking through the fucking wall with his car. He made a wall hole in the fucking wall, like literally. It was insane. Let's do async. Get user subscriptions. Okay. So we don't need a fucking token on this thing here. We simply just need to say this. So I'm gonna do token. This one right here. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Crazy. You live in a small country and people don't ride motorcycles a lot. In my town, like last case that someone died was a 19-year-old kid that drove like 300 plus kilometers and hit a road sign. It's probably like 15 years ago. Bro, 300 kilometers? What the fuck? He probably fucking turned into mush at the end of it. Okay, so get user subscriptions, and then I'm gonna fuck. What the fuck is this? Okay, and then I'm gonna call this here const. Okay, subscription list equals await sub mng dot get user subscriptions. Okay. So I'm gonna change this thing. This is supposed to return, yeah, this here. Okay. Okay. Cool. And I'm simply gonna see console.log user sub list. I'm gonna do here subscription list. So let's see how this is gonna turn out over here. Okay, I see the data coming down, and I see that status is 1 being the first thing, so it should be good. And then what I'm gonna do here, I'm just gonna do here subscription, no, list dot length less than 1. We're gonna say that. What the fuck is your problem? It cannot be undefined. Okay, let's make sure this is not undefined. How do I make this properly? Oh, baby. Okay. Mm-hmm. Because it's passing a link, so this is fine. So basically, why is this fucking complaining? Ah. Hmm. How do I go about this thing in the best way possible? It's kind of weird that I don't. There we go. You happy now? You fuck. Jesus, bro. Okay, now what I'm gonna do here. Mm, mm. So this, I'm not sure if it's gonna work because of the lost payment thing, but let's see. Da-da-da-da-da. Helmet wearer, yo, welcome. I saw the second client and building their app through my customized Django admin, so stuck hoping this project grows. Easiest coding ever. Good job, dude. I hope you cleared some good money there, right there. You know what I'm saying? What's this? What? I don't understand. What the fuck are you talking about? I spelled out everything in Grapali for scalable Ajax stuff with Ajax right hand tabbed panel. It makes rapid prototyping for CRUD so quick. All right. I'm not really sure I follow. I haven't really used Ajax for a while. After I ditched jQuery, I haven't touched any of like jQuery components. Can't stand jQuery anymore. All right, so this is kind of cool. I'm gonna do here with equals 100%, and then let's see if this makes a difference. Framework is there, so I only make Python classes with the occasional 2 lines of JS for every 10 classes or so. God damn it. Okay, Theo, coming in with the booby love. I wish we could do the same with modern JS. My interfaces should be written in Python. No. What? What you mean? Like your interfaces, meaning like UI, user interfaces? No. No. They wouldn't be implemented in Python, but most things you should be able to describe in Python and have the JS generated or templated. Uh, no. I'm against that. I'm against that kind of approach because that's kind of like you are writing JavaScript using Python, and that's redundant. It's redundant for me, in my opinion. I wouldn't deal. I wouldn't like mix and match like Python with JS. Why did you leave Europe? I was never in Europe. Dude, I was in Turkey. Turkey. I was in the Asian part of Turkey too. OG versus the new school, bruh. I mean, like in today's date, if we are still trying to get Python to write JavaScript, that's just nah. You are doing something wrong, in my opinion. Why did you leave Asia? For better prospects in life. Okay, so the V stack here. So let's go over here, and I'm gonna create that fucker. Okay, we're gonna call it. I'm gonna call it stacks. Okay. Just remember to accomplish this stuff. I often have to dive into the little Django source code and extend things. Yeah, I think I would rather just learn JavaScript properly and utilize that environment instead. Because in itself, like having to generate JavaScript code using Python is going to come with a lot of limitations. And who needs that? Comment depends on what you're building. Goal is 200 user ERP to just track data. I can care how the front is done. And when you need scalable fronts, you build them correctly with DRF FBSD, they would extend off the same base code, so it's fine. I mean, if you say so, I'm not really like, I never found myself in a spot where I would have to deal or with like JavaScript through Python ever. Like that's never happened to me. And I can't imagine a scenario where it makes sense. If I come across it, I can, elaborate on it further, but that has never happened to me. Fucking finally, I'm back home. Bosses back were canceled for over a full hour. Damn, bro. Had to walk my fat ass all the way back through the sketchy unlit streets at midnight. Well, I'm glad you made it home, bro. Stack props. Didn't get shanked. My bloody data got caught in the middle of my trip to Max. Ah, didn't even know it was canceled. So I sat there for like a full 20 minutes before I asked some random on the street if they knew where the fuck the bosses were. So how do you keep track of like the boss schedule, like if it canceled or not and whatnot? So like here, if I have to ever use bosses, Google Maps usually will tell me like if it is canceled or not. There's also like an app of the boss provider itself. Okay. Made by the government public transport company. Ugh. Okay. Now I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna call it fluid. How do I do that? So now I can come over here, restack. I'm just gonna cut this, take this, VWXYZ. Okay, okay. So this should still work. Cool. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna do this thing here where dashboard container, restack. Uh-huh. Mm. Hmm. It's like Google Maps, but made specifically for getting you there the fastest way with public transport. Nice. I got to enjoy this banger on the max public Wi-Fi. The echo is fucking amazing, though. I've seen this before, but I only saw like a very short clip of it on Reddit. Damn. Anywho, I'm gonna go do some work. All right, my dude. Oh shit! Actually, I should prepare some food for myself. It's 6 o'clock. I knew you were gonna do that. I knew you were gonna do that. Uh, all my homies hate OOP. I hear you. All right, gonna do the workout. So let me stretch my arms just a little bit, and then we're gonna do dumbbell curls. Ah! Ooh. Gotta stretch it a little bit. My arms are cold. Ah. Let's go. I need like a hype music here. What the fuck was I listening? Trophies. Actually, this is not bad. Fucking Drake, motherfucker. Good thing I haven't seen his dick yet. Brah. I am one of the lucky ones that hasn't seen his dick. We're gonna do 2 12s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. It's making me sweat. Yeah, it's making me sweat. I fucking hate it. Ugh. The fucking tag on this thing scratching my skin. Okay. Let's go. Another 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. All right. Took in exactly one Drake song, bro. To get the workout done. Ugh. 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 Okay. Okay. So this is good. Okay, this is good. This is good. So now what I'm going to do here Um, we're gonna filter it, okay, and then we're gonna say filter s dot status text dot to lowercase active. All right, so this should come down to only one. We don't see the other one. Cool. Okay, and then again, we're gonna take this motherfucker and then do inactive subscriptions. We're gonna do this not equals. And then this one shows up here. Wipeout! How's it going? It's going good, dude. How about you? Let's do a heading on this one. How are we doing, Viper? Why isn't this past subscriptions? No, that's motherfucker. Doesn't I don't like this, like the way it looks. I don't like it. Uh, Coco, how's my boy? Come here, baby. Come here, Coco. Come here. Come. Where's my boy? Where's my kitty? Come on, Coco, come to Papa. He's your good boy. Come on, come on, come on, come on, baby. Get on the chair. Come on, big boy. Oh, look at this boy. Who's a good boy? Good. Look at this. Good. Do you see this boy? Yeah. Good. Coco, what you doing? Hmm? What you doing, babe? Coco wants something, huh? Hmm? 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 Oh, look at this boy. Such a good boy. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. I'll put you down. Here you go, fluffy boy. Hmm. 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 Guys, I think he wants some food, so I'm gonna feed him real quick. Give me a second here. I'll be back. Stop. Okay. Okay. I fed the cat, and now we're gonna continue. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is also in the box, I'm gonna do a fluid box. Okay, I'm gonna say export function fluid box. Okay, and we're gonna do here children rest. I'm gonna say here are box props. Okay, and then constant props equals full, and then rest, and then return. We're gonna do box Uh-huh. I'll do children, and then we forgot a single dot over there. Cool. Okay, so I'm just gonna come over here, and I'm gonna do load box. Okay. Cool. Same thing, fluid box. Should not be needing this shit. And then same thing, fluid box. Cool. Okay. I'm guessing this should still work. I'm doing awesome. Thanks. How are you? I'm doing great, bro. I had like a busy week. I got like four interviews scheduled, and I have another three for the coming week. So I had to do like some, tests, like coding challenge and shit like that, and preparation. So it kind of like hit me hard all of a sudden. Yeah. Oh shit, yo, bro, thanks for the sub, man. I appreciate it. You deserve it. Ah, thanks, man. Honestly, I haven't been like very consistent the past month or so, past couple of weeks. So I really appreciate it, man. Thank you. Thank you so much, bro. I'm getting pretty close to buying that keyboard. Eventually, hopefully, I'll get it. All right, this is good, right? I think I kind of want to do an accordion for this. Guess what? What happened? Did you launch the product? Did you finish your project? Excuse me. Got an offer for the product for 15 million. Are you trolling me, dude? Fuck yeah, dude. I mean, if that's the case, hell yeah. You rejected it. Why would you reject it, man? Because I know it's worth so much more. Okay. If somebody offered me $15 million right now, or pounds, or whatever, I would give it. I'm like, here you go, it's yours. I wouldn't be fighting it. Take it. All right, so this is coming down pretty good. I'm gonna take out this thing here. Been in so many meetings myself, like regarding the people showing interest. Had 4 meetings this week. Had 3 meetings last week. Had 5 the week before. Like that is so draining. Ah, bro, yeah, it takes a lot of fucking time. Like no cap. Bro, it's about 4 hours so far in this week. Super sleepy, can't lie. Bro, go to bed. What are you doing? I'm gonna go to bed. See you soon. Where are your next live? Just wanted to drop in to say hi. I'll be on tomorrow because I don't have anything to do today and tomorrow. So I'll be on tomorrow. Monday, I am not so sure because I have an interview on Monday and possibly a second one. I'm kind of like, playing those like by the ears, but I'll be on tomorrow. Good night, dude. Take it easy. This is fucking, this is tripping me. Okay. Uh, it's it's not quite fucking visible, isn't it? Hmm. Uh, has cancelled. Fuck. All right. So let's kind of address this. So, mm, color scheme. Fuck. Whoa, there we go. Not bad. Okay. I guess he ate his food. So. What's going on here? Why do I have an email? Okay. Hold on. Why isn't VLC working? Motherfucker. Oh, it is working. It just. I can't delay in between songs. All right. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What the fuck is happening? Referral 5. Hmm. Okay. He's meowing again. He wants to go out. And I don't feel so hungry yet because I ate so fucking late. God damn it. Well, guys, I'm gonna let the kitty outside. I'll be back. Coco, where's my boy? Can you hear me now? Okay. Huh? Okay. Static. Okay. Ah. So I kind of want to do something like this, but I think I should do this here. Hold on. Ah. Okay. I'm going to do copy. Okay. We're going to come down here and then I'm going to do the my subscription. I'm going to do this here. TypeScript file. Okay. Subscription item. Okay. Okay. Export default. Function. Subscription item. Key. Subscription, Coolios, and return. I'm just gonna do this for now. Oh my, you fuck! Look at this dumbass. Wow, it will not complete it. Oh shit! Actually, well, thank you. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing here. Subscribe. Can I just duplicate the fucking file? What? How the fuck am I in this fucking page? Oh my god, I'm. Is that like a reset head? I just want to reset the fucking file. Fuck it. Oh no 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 no. Just this file. There you go. So this is what I'm gonna do here, right? So from this page, I'm gonna bring it over here. Is there like another fucking page open on this one apparently? No more. Okay. Okay, whatever. So now, I'm going to create a list item, which I do have. So let's go over here. Uh-huh. Mhm. Yeah, something like this actually looks pretty good. So I'm just going to go personal information. All right, let's go over here. I need to go here. This here. Ah! What? I'm opening. Oh, I'm in the wrong place. Oh, I'm so sorry. that was my bad. Okay, first, before we do accordion, I'm gonna do here simple grid. Okay. Just gonna do simple grid here. Okay, wanna go over here, title. Okay. I hate that it doesn't fucking reload. Reload, motherfucker! I had to like hit Control R every single time. 5 errors. It says rebuilding. Okay. But How come I don't see shit on the page? Mother. I hate you so much, NextJS. All right, that's why it wasn't happening, so we're good. Okay. And then if I edit divider here, motherfuck. Ooh, I like it. Okay. So that's all I gotta do here. Okay. There we go. Isn't it beautiful? $15? What? Mm. All right, this will do. I'm gonna check the door. I think he opened it. I'm also kind of feeling hungry, so give me a sec. Well, second. All right. Excuse me. I put some wonton into the thing. I mean, I'm boiling the thing first. The what you gonna call this thing? The broth. Still loading. What the fuck am I looking at here? Here we go. All right, so now I can do this. I fucking hate shit like this, bro. Jesus, what kind of fucking coding is this? Ugh. Absolutely fucking fucked. This is fucking hurting my head, bro. Hmm. Oh shit, my food. Ooh. Oh, look at this kitty. Okay, bring the kitty, 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 kitty. Okay, so, fucking static. This is what I'm thinking of doing here. I think you're gonna like it. So this fluid, and this was something I wanted to do before, but I didn't quite get it right. So this list here, I'm gonna turn it into that fucking thing right there. I'm gonna make this work. This has to fucking work. Yeah. 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 Motherfucker. Okay. So yeah, let's do this. Okay. So accordion panel, this is the body of the accordion, and then this motherfucker here, instead of saying that, right, I'm gonna do list. Okay. Import it from there. Okay. And then I'm gonna say here list item. Cool. Import this from. No, I don't have a fucking list item here. I should. Okay. Okay. And then we're gonna do here again, constant props equals, right? Rest and return. What am I supposed to say here? I'm just gonna do like fluid box here, and then I'm gonna do children. Fuck, if I could spell. Props. I think they should do, right? Right. My food is like just about ready. Hmm. So if I'm here, I'm gonna do list item. Oh shit, hold on. We have to update this list. Yeah, this is, I'm just gonna do export from list. Okay, now it shows up, which is good. Cool. I'm gonna say here, hello world. Okay, fuck you. So many errors. Children.map. What the fuck? Hmm. Children equals hello world. No, what the fuck are you talking about, bro? I'm passing it as part of, hold on, where is this? Why does it think that it's a fucking, why is it getting passed as a string? Doesn't make any sense. It's wrapped around this fucker. Hmm. Hmm. Motherfucker. Doesn't work the way I expected it to work. Oh shit, my food. Okay, so Okay, my food is just about ready. I'm gonna use the restroom, wash my hands, and hopefully it's my ready to eat. So give me a sec. Ow, static. So list item, list HTML, Lee element, and that's fucking fine. List item props. Yeah, that's fine. We're gonna get back to that right now. Okay, if I do this, does it still think that it's not a list? The fuck? No, it is fucking wrapped and it is wrapped. So what the fuck is your deal? Okay, this time it's a fucking list. Okay, got it. So if it is only like a single one, it doesn't like it. Right? Right. Okay, so what I can do on that one here is that children. Can I override the fucking children? Okay, fuck it. I'm gonna do here constant children equals type of children equals. How do you check if it is a list or a fucking object? Okay. JavaScript check if type is list. No, 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 no. I feel like I should make this into a fucking function so I can like centralize it. This looks pretty good. Concat children equals concat children, and then this is gonna be children. So Amber. My computer is fucking going nuts right now. I think something is cracked. I did not forget, you fucker. Okay, let me get my food. I don't know what the fuck is going on. I'm having a headache. Like, I'm not feeling so enthusiastic today. I'm gonna call it, y'all, and then we're just gonna fucking static. I'm just gonna continue tomorrow. So thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll be on tomorrow again, hopefully earlier. So good night.